Do you know, guys, 50,000 people will get a Microsoft certification absolutely free, and it could be you also. Microsoft is celebrating 50 years with a massive AI skill fest challenge, and they are giving free exam vouchers every single week. It only takes two steps to enter in this challenge and win free Microsoft voucher for improving your AI skill. Hi everyone, I am back to our channel. I am Webo, and today I got an exclusive opportunity that every student, every tech lover, and future AI pro need to know right now from a Microsoft. Microsoft is giving 50,000 exam voucher as a part of their AI skill fest, and you need to know two simple things to qualify. Microsoft AI Skill Fest is a global learning initiative to celebrate 50 years of Microsoft, empowering you to build a real world AI application and get certified. They are planning to give 50,000 free certification voucher in a particularly AI for everyone. This is the announcement page from the Microsoft. If you scroll down, you will be see here the challenges. This is the AI Face Challenge that you need to register before applying your free voucher. The first announcement day, they are giving the 10,000 coupon to the 10,000 students. Next time they are giving the 5,000 coupons to 5,000 students, up to all to the 50,000. This is the all certification from a Microsoft that you will be get a chance to do absolutely free. There are total of 5 areas, that is the AI, Azure, data platform, Microsoft 365, Power Platform, and security. You are getting chance to win one of these certification program absolutely free. And trust me guys, it is a very worthy certification program for Microsoft because it costs up to 6,000. I will give you one example. We will go through the Microsoft certified AI Azure fundamental program. This is the Microsoft certified AI Azure fundamental program. If you scroll down here, you will be see here the price. Guys, see here this certification. If you want this certification, you need to pay almost 3,700 rupees for this Microsoft certification. Like this, another 14 certification is available from Microsoft. So this is all information. Now I'm going to tell you that how you can apply step by step. So there is another one link available in a description. Please go and check that. After clicking that this link, you will be come here. There are only two steps. First step is that you need to apply for the Microsoft AI skill set fest challenge, and after completing that you need to fill this form. So let's move ahead to a first stage of a process, that is apply for the AI face challenge. So there are a total 7 face challenge available. I am going to show you that how you can enroll in this face challenge. I am taking the first face challenge, that is a create generative AI solution with Azure Foundry. After clicking on this, you will be redirected to this page. After coming here, just click on a join now challenge. After clicking that, you will be redirected to the sign in window. If you are already signed in, it is a very good. If you are not signed in, just provide your mail ID and sign in to the Microsoft. After sign in, you will be directly come this page that you successfully enrolled for this AI face challenge. You don't need to do complete this face challenge, is totally depending on you. After coming that, just come on this page, the second link of the description, then provide your username. If you are logged in with a Microsoft account and that account is available in this particular your Google account, just click on here. After clicking that, you will be redirected here that you are going to see that this is the my Microsoft account ID. So just grab that, the paste here. After that, enter your mail address, and this is the main part. You have to select which skill fest challenge you are participated. For me, I participated from the AI power. Just click on the next, and that's done. You are applied for this AI skill fest challenge. You will be directed to this page. Thank you for applying for the Microsoft AI skill fest. And now you have to be aware because drawing process will be happen weekly once, the 17 April 2025 till the May 2025. So tomorrow there is a second drawing process will be happen. If you got selected, you will be receive mail from a Microsoft that tell you that you got selected, and also you will be receive a coupon for the exam. So this is all for the today's video. Share this video with your friends and colleagues and classmates so they don't miss out either. Comment below if you have entered or if you need help finding the right AI challenge to start with. And of course, subscribe for the more learning hacks. Meet you on the next video. Till keep learning and keep growing. Thanks for watching.